Good morning, Shane's Pigeon Law. Just want to show you guys some of my colors. It's feed time. So little nuts. But take a look. There's a baby. There's a couple babies up there. Two in there. So in 2 weeks, I'll be going to Fond du Lac Show, Fond du Lac, Wisconsin, and that's when I usually take a lot of my birds and decide what kind of color project I'll be getting into. After you guys see this video, it'll already happen. So we'll see what happens and where I'm going to be and what kind I'm going to be doing. I'm not sure. I do know I do have a lot of eagles, which are the black ones. So I'm sure some of them will go. I know that red one I said last time, that would go, but it is gonna go. But take a look at this. You know, these are the color projects that I've been working on. Right there, just popped up there. And then my red bar. I don't know if I'm so much want to get into more red bars, but right there's my yellow. So we'll see. We'll see what I want to do. I kind of want to get birds looking like that. I want to do different birds, different colors. I'm going to stay with homers, but just trying different color projects. We'll see what happens. We'll let you go because I'm going to fly and it's pretty cold out today. Shane's Pigeon Law.